In the heart of ancient Egypt, during the reign of Pharaoh Ramses II, there lived a skilled embalmer named Kamhat. Renowned throughout the land for his mastery of preserving the bodies of the deceased, Kamhat was entrusted with the sacred duty of preparing the pharaohs and nobles for the afterlife.
Months passed. Dan continued his duties with a heavy heart. Then strange occurrences began to plague the city. Whispers of a curse spread among the people attributing the illness and misfortunes to the wrath of an ancient pharaoh disturbed from his eternal slumber. One night was summoned to the palace of Ramses to himself. The pharaoh, troubled by the rumors and eager to protect his kingdom, ordered to investigate the truth behind the supposed curse. With determination fueled by grief and duty, he embarked on a perilous journey deep into the hidden tombs of the Valley of the Kings. Guided by ancient texts and intuition, he uncovered a chamber sealed for centuries. Inside lay the mummified remains of Pharaoh, his sarcophagus adorned with warnings of a curse upon any who disturbed his eternal rest. Undeterred, pressed forward, convinced that understanding the curse was the key to saving his people. Through his exploration, he discovered a forgotten ritual inscribed on the tomb's walls, a ritual that, if performed correctly, could appease the restless spirit of and bring an end to the curse. With great reverence, he conducted the ritual as the sun dipped below the horizon. As he completed the final incantation, a profound stillness settled upon the tomb. The curse was lifted and a sense of peace descended upon the land. Word of bravery and wisdom spread far and wide, earning him the gratitude of Pharaoh Ramses II and the eternal respect of his fellow Egyptians. From that day forward, the tale of and the curse of Pharaoh became a cautionary legend, reminding all who dared to disturb the slumber of the pharaohs of Egypt's ancient and powerful mysteries. One fateful day, as meticulously worked on the mummification process of a nobleman, a mysterious illness swept through the city. Panic gripped the palace as the illness claimed many lives, including one beloved wife. Devastated by grief, he poured his sorrow into his work, ensuring received the most elaborate funeral rites.